This is your final most real look at the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Hermes orange and dark blue in all aluminum two-tone finish. This is gonna be a rectangular camera module containing triple cameras, LED flash, mic and LiDAR on top left corner. The bottom half is gonna be glass to accommodate wireless charging. So a really solid design it is, and if true, Apple is ditching titanium frame. This is gonna be a 5000 mAh massive battery, iOS 26 out of the box with liquid glass UI. And yes, most exciting, A19 Pro chipset with new AAA games. Shocking news coming in from multiple sources. The iPhone 17 Air and iPhone 17 Pro's dynamic island is gonna be a lot smaller than the one found in the 14, 15 and 16 Pro. So it's a smaller pill-shaped module containing a selfie shooter and Face ID. The iPhone 17 series specifications coming in from Korea. The standard iPhone 17 gets dual cameras, A19 Bionic chip, 8 gigs of RAM and 3600 mAh battery. Most exciting part is the iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air are coming with 120Hz Pro Motion display. So no more 60Hz choppy refresh rate, and that's why it's gonna sell like hotcakes, because you know the reason some people were skipping the base model iPhones was their low refresh rate, but that won't be an issue anymore. The thinnest iPhone ever, iPhone 17 Air, is coming with a small 2800 mAh battery, 6.6-inch display size and a single 48 megapixel high resolution camera. The best part is iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are coming with triple 48 megapixel cameras with 8K video recording support and 8x periscope lossless zoom. That is insane. Finally, A19 Pro chipset based on TSMC process, 3700 mAh battery in the Pro and 5000 mAh battery in the 17 Pro Max with 35 watts of fast charging. Apple has managed to implement an anti-glare nano texture display on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. As always, they'll keep it exclusive for the Pro series, and you won't see this kind of premium display in the standard 17 or 17 Air. Latest news coming in suggests that the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max may support 7.5 watts of reverse wireless charging. So you guys will be able to reverse charge your AirPods or Apple Watch and maybe your friend's iPhone or Android. This is how the iPhone 17 Air is gonna look. So we're gonna see exciting colors, powerful specifications, and yes guys, it is gonna be the thinnest iPhone ever made. There are some leak images of the iPhone 17 Air chassis, frame, back panel and even CAD images. So the design is somewhat similar to the Nexus 6P. We have similar pill-shaped module with a single 48 megapixel camera, mic and LED flash. So you won't find a telephoto or super wide angle lens in here, and the reason is you want to keep the device thin and lightweight. Now most exciting part is the iPhone 17 Air is expected to be 5.5mm compared to the iPhone 6 at 6.9mm and the Moto Z, which is the thinnest phone ever made, at 5.2mm. This is a 6.6-inch screen size with 120Hz refresh rate, a dynamic island on top which is gonna contain a 24 megapixel selfie shooter and a Face ID. This all guys, the iPhone 17 lineup is here. Really excited about the iPhone 17 Air, Pro Max and standard 17. Which would you choose? Comment down. Thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.